What is up everyone, it's Mellow back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a heel flip. Actually, I'm just going to be showing you my journey into doing a heel flip. I do know how to do the trick, however they've always been a little sloppy and I haven't skated for a year, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is foot placement. Now, I am goofy, which means my right foot is my front foot. I'd be going that way. My left foot is my back foot. So I usually keep my left foot kind of similar to an ollie stance. You'd want to know how to do an ollie before you learn this trick. Left foot back by the tail, by the end of the tail, so you can pop. My front foot I keep just behind the first two bolts. And some people like hanging their foot over. I don't really do that. I have small feet, so I like to keep my toe just a touch over the edge of the board. The concept of a heel flip is basically you're going to be popping, you're going to be using your heel to slide over this part of the board, and the board's going to rotate, and then you're going to land on it. So we'll see how that goes.
So I'm just getting into it here, just trying to remember how to flip my heel on the nose of the board to get that rotation. There we go. The board's starting to turn now. And I started noticing I always land kind of in front on my toe side of the board. That was because I was keeping my center of gravity closer to my toes. So what I actually needed to do is center my gravity at the middle of the board, not leaning over my toes as much. So I'm getting in some pretty good attempts here. Legs were a bit tired at some point.
It's like 30 degrees out here. I'm hot. I just need to commit. I'm too scared.
I was also really scared that my feet were gonna slip off and I was gonna land on the side of the board and twist my ankle, so that was in my head the whole time, because I've done that a lot. I didn't want an ankle injury that day. So I was just trying to clear my head and just go for it, but I wasn't committing to all of these. That's the secret to skateboarding tricks, just commit. I'm getting some good chances in here. Ooh.
I'm so hot. I'm so tired. I worked out yesterday, so my thighs are hurting, but we got it. Took what, an hour? Yeah, an hour. People, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, what do you want me to do next? Something to talk about, something to try, skateboarding, non-skateboarding. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.